Authentication lies at the heart of an application's protection against unauthorized access. If an attacker is able to break an application's authentication function, then they may be able to own the entire application. The following tutorial will demonstrate a technique to bypass authentication of a simulated login page from the multi-day training using the powerful tool Burp Suite. I hope that you did watch my previous demos in the web application pen test module, because I talked a lot about how to use Burp Suite. Let's get started. First, you need to ensure that Burp is correctly configured with your browser. In the Burp Proxy tab, ensure that intercept is off. Now let's go and visit the login page of the application. Select the multi-day from the list. So here we are at the login page. Return to Burp. Under the Proxy tab, make sure this time the intercept is on. Now let's try to log in. And don't forget to enable your proxy. I'm going to fill in with a random username and a random password. And finally click on the login button. At this moment, Burp is intercepting our request. So let's check it out. The captured request can also be viewed in the Proxy Intercept tab. Right-click on the request to bring up the context menu. Then click Send to Intruder. So let's see what's inside. Select the Positions tab under the Intruder section. The first thing that you need to do in this window is to clear the preset payload positions by using the Clear button on the right of the request editor. Next, add the username and password parameter values as positions by highlighting them and using the Add button. Finally, change the attack to cluster bomb using the attack type from the drop-down menu. Wait, we're not done yet. Now go to the Payloads tab. In the Payloads settings, ensure payload set is 1 and payload type is set to simple list. In the payload options settings, enter some possible usernames. You can do this manually or use a custom preset payload list. So I'm going to choose admin for the username. Next, I'm going to change the payload set to 2 and keep the payload type to simple list. In the payload options, enter some possible passwords. Let's fill in some random passwords. Finally, click the Start Attack button. By viewing the responses in the attack window, we can see that request number 7, its status value is different from the other ones. Let's take a look and see what's inside. It looks like that the password admin pass is really a successful candidate for the username admin. To confirm that the brute force attack has been successful, let's use the username and password in the multi-day application. And voila, we're logged in. Thank you, Burp Suite.